Hi, I'm Japanese. I share real Japanese culture with the world. Today's topic: why do Japanese students clean their own schools? In Japan, there are almost no janitors in schools. Instead, students grab brooms and mops every day after class. At 3:30 p.m. a bell rings, not for recess but for cleaning time. Some sweep hallways, others scrub toilets. Even teachers join in. So, why do Japanese schools do this? Is it just to save money? Actually, it's about teaching responsibility and respect. Cleaning is called Souji, Sayo-chu. It's seen as a way to care for shared spaces. Even young kids clean classrooms, hallways, and toilets. At first, many students complain, but over time, they take pride in it. In Japanese culture, cleaning is a form of mind training. It teaches discipline, teamwork, and respect for others' space. Some foreign visitors are shocked. Why not just hire cleaners? But many Japanese believe cleaning shapes good character. Even famous companies in Japan make employees clean the office. So next time you visit a Japanese school, don't be surprised by the student cleaners. Thank you for watching. If you found this interesting, please like and subscribe for more real Japanese insights.